Hello children, today I'll make anti-gravity marble in front of you. For that you just need 3 straws, 1 iron nail, 1 marble, 1 paper clip, cello tape and a pair of scissors. First of all, we don't need this bended part of the straws, so let's cut them all. And now after this we have to make this kind of a structure. For this, first of all, insert paper clip in one of the straws and handle of paper clip onto another straw like this. And now fix third straw here below these pair of straws and fix them either with the help of cello tape or thread, whatever you have. So I have cello tape, so let me fix it with the help of cello tape. See, the setup is ready now. I fixed the straw below these straws so that it should be at some height. Now if I place anything on it, it should fall like this because of gravity. But if I place marble here, it's going up, opposite to that of gravity. But actually it's not opposite to that of gravity, it is going towards its center of gravity. See, it's going upwards. So that's how you can enjoy making this anti-gravity marble at your home today.